Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's review a new planner today. Thank you for your response on the Shop With Me series. I'm grateful that you guys are liking it. Before starting this video, a background on the Shop With Me series. In the Shop With Me series, I take you along my planner buying journey for 2022. Last year for 2021, I did a massive rundown on 25 planners available in India. Most of those planners are still valid this year too. So this year I thought let's do a Shop With Me series where I can get into nitty-gritties of every planner that we look at. In my last few videos, I've tried to bring to you the more sort of budget planners. By budget, I mean I started with Haley and Kumar planner at 597 rupees or something. But a few planners which are around 1000 rupees, I think will make a good purchase. So going on the same theme, let's talk about the Factor Notes planner today. Factor Notes is a very popular stationery brand and they have some beautiful products on their website. But today we are looking at the 2022 planners that they have released. They have released about 8 covers, each of them more beautiful than the other. All the planners are hardbound and they come in 2 bundles. We are going to look at the bundle a little later. Let's look at the standalone planner. The planner looks beautiful with these rounded edges. Let's see some spreads. The first page, of course, is the planner guide. Then you have the goals page. Then there's a vision board. Then you have my improvement plan, which is very nice, and you have all the 4 important parts of your life, which is body, mind, relationship, and work. Then you have my favorite quotes. Then you have highlights of 2021 and the intention for 2022, which is great. So I think this is so thoughtful. If you go back, I just realized this is so thoughtful. You go from the vision board to goals to the lessons of 2021, intention for 2022, and then they have a full improvement plan. So I'm really impressed with the kind of logical flow that they've given into goal setting. And if you follow this properly, I'm sure this will be super effective. I think this is the month start page, if I'm not wrong. It has a mood tracker, an affirmations grid. Then you have distractions to avoid, which is very good. Goals for the month, things to focus on. Interesting. And then you have weekly spread, which is 7 days a week in one page. Wow, this is a little underwhelming. But I liked how they have portrayed everything. So everything is lived in, everything is written in, which is so pretty. So now I know exactly how to use the planner. Wow, the weekly dashboard is also very effective. So you have things to remember, 6 habit trackers, top priorities, sleep log, which is very important. Then you have some blank pages for notes or whatever you want to add more. Okay. Interesting. There may be some activity pages as well. And of course, there are stickers. Monthly artwork, which has a quote, an elastic closure. I think that's it. Let's see if I'm missing some details. Wow, this has 280 stickers. There's one spread that we missed. There's a bucket list and there is an anti-bucket list. We also have a shopping list, movies, series, watch list, wish list, a vacation plan. Wow. We didn't see these spreads in the pictures, but they are there. You have 3 bookmarks, a back pocket. But they have not mentioned about the paper quality or the size of the planner. Anyways, let's move forward. The planner is priced at 2199 and currently with the discount that you get it for 999, which is 1000 rupees. Let's see what's there in the happy hamper. In addition to the planner, in the happy hamper, you will get posters, sticker pack, greeting cards, bookmark. Let's see the details. Oh, you have 24 sheets of sticker, which is great. 16 greeting cards, 8 posters, and all of this is actually priced at 3,999, and currently it is available for 1,599, which is essentially 1,600 rupees. So for an additional 600 rupees, you get 24 sheets of sticker, 16 greeting cards, and 8 posters. I think if you use the poster or the greeting card, the 600 rupees will pay for itself. So if you go to buy a greeting card, I think anywhere minimum cost for that would be 50 rupees, and you can easily recover your 600 rupees like that. Also, 24 sheets of stickers, I think would cost you around 400 to 700 rupees, depending on where you're buying it from. But I think the hamper is a smarter choice if you like the planner. One thing again I appreciate about this planner, and I like to repeat it, is when they're showing the planner, they've actually shown a lived-in planner. So what a planner would look like when you have started using it or you have already used the planner, which is great. I really appreciate this, and I don't see any of the brands really do this. And I really liked this botanical cover page. It is so pretty. I mean, with the muted green and the pops of pink and maroon, and this is such a pretty planner. I just have one thing that is bothering me from this planner, is that the space for daily pages is too little. 7 days on one page is not very appreciated by me. But otherwise, I think everything is going great for this planner. And this is a great option if you're planning on a budget and you want all the relevant spreads easily available to you. I'm going to continue this series. So if you have any other suggestions for planner I can review, please suggest in the comments box below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye now.